The Nador West Med project is located on the northeastern corner of the Kingdom of Morocco. We are located on the Mediterranean coast. The economy of the region is at the moment mainly focused on agriculture and fishing. The port is being constructed as an extension of Tanger Med that is located more to the north. In future, the port will receive mainly container vessels as well as bulk carriers and other maritime transport.
Ce que nous sommes en train de construire, il constitue la première phase du complexe portuaire. D'autres infrastructures seront mises en place pour faciliter l'exploitation du complexe industriel portuaire Nador West Med. Le développement stimulera la croissance économique.
The scope of the project is building a brand new port just west of the city of Nador. We started in 2016 with dredging of the trench for the main breakwater. In the meantime, we had a cutter dredger already dredging inside the port itself. Since then, we have had a lot of different hopper dredgers on this site who did dredging in the trench and in the main part of the port. And at the moment we have Fernão de Magala is dredging the remaining cutter scope. After that we will have a hopper scope finalizing the full dredging scope for this project. The final completion date is planned for 2024.
As an engineer, I like this project for its complexity of different construction techniques, nicely intertwined with our dredging activities. Currently, we are working with approximately 100 crew members on board of the several vessels which we have employed on the project at this moment. Besides them, we have around 50 people working onshore, mainly labor in the workshop and staff in the office. To keep up the good vibe here on site with the full team working, we organize regularly some social activities. Nationality doesn't count, we're all part of the Andernul family.
Jean Donul est un partenaire très important qui a réalisé des travaux de grande qualité et dans les délais prescrits.